Some days pass unnoticed, and some days Allah opens the doors of mercy wider than ever before. The day of Arafah is one of those days, a day when sins are forgiven, hearts soften, and broken souls return to Allah. Maybe your heart has carried silent pain for a very long time. Maybe there are du'as you stopped mentioning because you waited so long for an answer. But perhaps this sacred day is the day Allah changes everything for you. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the best dua is the dua made on the day of Arafah. This is not an ordinary day. This is the day of mercy, the day of forgiveness, the day hearts find their way back home. What you must do on the day of Arafah? Begin with sincere tawbah. Begin this blessed day by returning to Allah sincerely. Before the world becomes loud, sit alone for a few moments. Speak to Allah honestly about the sins nobody knows, about the sadness hidden inside your chest, about the fears you never say out loud shreds, and tell Him, Ya Allah, I am tired, and I have nowhere left to go except you. Because on the day of Arafah, Allah frees more souls from the fire than any other day of the year. Keep your tongue alive with dhikr. Do not let your tongue become empty on this sacred day. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said the greatest words spoken on the day of Arafah are, repeat it while driving, while walking, while waiting, while resting. Keep your heart connected to Allah throughout the entire day. Do not miss the fast of Arafah. If your health allows you, do not miss the fast of Arafah. The Messenger of Allah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, taught us that fasting this single sacred day expiates the sins of the previous year and the coming year. 2 years of sins for one sincere day with Allah. Never underestimate what Allah can place inside a single blessed day. Prepare a personal list of du'as. Ask Allah for everything: your healing, your parents, your future, your marriage, your rizq, your peace, your akhirah. Nothing is too big for Allah, and no tear is unseen by Him. Now comes the most precious part of this blessed day, the final hours between Asr and Maghrib, while millions stand on the plains of Arafah, begging Allah for mercy. Do not waste these sacred moments, distracted by the dunya. Sit alone with Allah. Turn everything else off. Raise your hands and speak to Him like a servant, finally returning home. Read these du'as slowly and mean them. Ya Allah, heal the parts of me that nobody can see. Ya Allah, I have made mistakes, but your mercy has always been greater than my sins. The day of Arafah is not a day of despair. It is a day of hope, a day sins are erased, a day hearts soften, a day servants return to Allah sincerely. So when this sacred day arrives, do not let it pass like any other day, because a day like Arafah only comes once a year. If someone in your life is silently struggling, share this with them. Maybe this blessed day reaches them right when they need it most. If your heart is heavy as you lift your hands today, comment, Ya Allah, don't let my hands return empty.